friends, welcome back to another video. Today you guys, I am going to be making a all around sweet treat. It's a little different this weekend. We're going to be making a different kind of cake. We're not going to do the pound cake today. I decided to switch it up for you guys. So today in the kitchen we are going to be making yep. We're gonna be making a fruity pebble cake today. Not a pound cake, just a fruity pebble cake. And yes, I'm not afraid of the box cake mix. Boom, we have it right here, a box cake. We're not gonna be doing a homemade pound cake this time around. I decided to switch it up and we're gonna do a fruity pebble cake. So if you're interested and you wanna see how I do this, stay tuned. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome aboard. I'm AlphaDior. On this channel, I do cooking, I do baking, I do vlogs, I do a little bit of everything. So I'm glad you stopped by. For those of you who have been around for some time, you know we like to get down with the baking. I'm not a professional baker by any means, but I do like to get on here and I like to do some sweet treats, not only for myself, but for my children too. For those of you who know, my daughter Trinity, my son Carter, my other daughter Taya, we all love cake, so I try to switch it up, do a little bit different stuff every now and then. So yeah, today again we're gonna be making a fruity pebble cake. So come on, grab your chair, grab your whatever, and let's make a cake. So yeah, so here guys, again it's the box cake, and I usually try to do the pound cakes, but today I decided to go ahead and grab this from Walmart. I was shopping in there yesterday and I happened to come across it and I was thinking, hey, you know what? Let me make something different. So it's the white Pillsbury Moist Supreme Cake. On the box, it's calling for a half a cup of oil, 1 cup of water, we got that, 3 eggs, we got that, and yeah, let's get started. My oven is already on. It's already set to 350, like the box is telling us to set the oven to 350. It's already on because I have actually a meatloaf in there. So that's what I'm cooking for today. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on the cake. I don't have scissors right now, so you know how we do. So we're gonna pour that. Oh, you guys, I did have a clear mixing bowl, but it broke. So yeah, we're gonna be using this. It's really it's a cake, you know, a cake holder as well. It converts to a punch bowl. So don't come for me and saying, why are you using a punch bowl? Because I broke my glass mixing bowl. So we're gonna be using this today. So, you know, it's all good over here. You know, we're not perfect over here. Nobody's perfect. So we're gonna use this today. All right. So we're gonna get this over here into our mixing bowl. All right. We're gonna go ahead and add our 1 cup of water. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this blended up. Oh, you guys, I'm using a hand mixer. I don't, you know what? I've never invested in a big tabletop mixer. Maybe I will at some point, since I'm doing a lot more baking now, sharing a lot of stuff with you guys now. Normally I used to just, you know, bake myself up, but since I'm bringing you guys a lot more baking stuff, I may go ahead and invest into a more sturdier mixer, because this I just picked up from my local Family Dollar store. If you guys have those in your areas, I just picked it up from there. I think it's called a Proctor Silex. It works really good and I love it. So I go between my hand mixer and, you know, my spoon. Sometimes I use a whisk, but I like this better. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and mix up the cake mix and the water. And I usually just do that on low speed to get it started. we're gonna come on in and we're gonna go ahead. Let me see if I can sit this mixer or something, because I don't want it to make a huge mess. Shake this off. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's just sit like that for right now. So we're just gonna let that sit right there. What we're gonna do next, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start cracking over our eggs. Again, it calls for 3 large eggs. These are not large. I believe they're the medium one, but this is what we have for now. So we're gonna go ahead and add these 3 eggs over into the cake batter here. And then we're gonna get those mixed up. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I woke up this morning and had to do a little bit of shopping at my local Walmart. So that's where I picked up the cake. So we're gonna go ahead and get these mixed up. Again, it's 3 eggs that I have here. Okay. Gonna go ahead and scrape this bowl down. Get all that delicious mixture here. Okay. And then we're gonna come in with our oil, our vegetable oil. It says we need a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. So 1/2 cup, I have the whole bottle. But yeah, we're just gonna eyeball this, you know. I've been baking for a while, so I can pretty much eyeball it. All right, but if you need a measuring cup, by all means, that's what you should have. But again, you know. All right, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna use my spoon for this part and go ahead and get it mixed up here. If you guys haven't checked out the chocolate chip pound cake video, when you're done with this one, go check that one out. It's another delicious treat. If you're a chocolate lover, you're gonna love that one. It's the chocolate chip pound cake video. So guys, check that one out. Let me know what you think. If you love chocolate, you'll love that one. It was actually delicious. I made that one last week for you guys. So I try to drop a video every Sunday at 12 p.m. I try to. Most Sundays I do, because I know you guys like to see different things. So yeah, that was the video from last week. Again, it's a chocolate chip pound cake. All right, so we got that mixed up. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in and add some of our fruity pebbles into the mixture. If you like a lot, go ahead and put a lot. If you like a little, you know, don't put as much. Last time I made this, it was a hit. My kids loved it. And yeah. Got like a pack of, a small thing of like cream cheese. And you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with that once the cake is done. So it looks so pretty and it smells so good, you guys. I wish you could smell it. Looks so good. Okay, so we're gonna get that mixed up. I think we need a little bit more. If it was up to Carter, he'll want me to dump the whole bag in here. But we're not gonna do that. So yeah, guys, I got up this morning. Did a little shopping at Walmart because I had to get some ground beef for a meatloaf. If you guys want to see me do more food preparations, just let me know in the comments. But I try to do a lot of cake videos because I love to bake. I don't bake as much, but I've been trying to, because I've been trying to do it a little bit more to let you guys see a variety of stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this off of here because we're gonna go ahead and get it into our cake dish. Here's my cake dish, guys. I've already greased it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my batter over into the cake dish. And I have a meatloaf already in the oven, so I'm just gonna put this cake over into the oven as well and let it bake on 350 for about 35 minutes. This is really heavy. This top is really heavy. I broke my other glass dish and I just haven't got one yet. I need to, because I've been trying to wing it with this, but this thing where it weighs my arm down. So, all right, guys. So, all right. Ooh, that's heavy. All right, guys, so we got it in there. I'm just going ahead and smoothing it around. I'm gonna flip the camera around and let you guys see. If you want, you can, add your Fruity Pebbles on top. So I'm gonna let you guys see. Give me 1 second. So y'all, this is what it looks like with minimal Fruity Pebbles. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add just a little bit on the top because, like I said, Carter loves a lot of Fruity Pebbles on his. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna let you guys see what it look like. And this is what it looks like when you've added just a little bit more Fruity Pebbles. So we're gonna stick this in our oven, let it bake for about 30-35 minutes. We're gonna pull that bad boy out, slice up, and let you guys see. And yeah, it's just like really simple dessert ideas that are really good, and I try to, play with the desserts and let you guys see different things because baking is really fun. I like to do it. And it's just, it puts me in a whole different mood. I like to cook too, but I'm trying to get more into the baking. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of different baking ideas, and hopefully it motivates you guys to, do a little bit of baking. And plus a bonus, because if you have little kids, your kids will love it, So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so it is done. We finally finished it. It looks delicious. So we are gonna cut into this bad boy and see what it's looking like inside. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me prep and get the Fruity Pebble cake together. So with further ado, let's get into it. We're gonna cut it open. So there we have it, guys. We have finished our Fruity Pebble cake. It's looking good. Hope you guys go and try it out. So again, guys, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you on the channel. Again, we upload every Sunday around 12 o'clock. Sometimes I can't make the 12 o'clock deadline, but the video will be up every Sunday. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next video, I love you guys. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.